Hey guys, hope you're all doing okay. This is Rogat and this is Galaxy Buds Pro. Now these were released in mid-January 2021 and since then they have received a lot of coverage. But I think I might be able to add a little bit more insight into it. I've been using these for the past 2 months, I believe. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is our box. It says Galaxy Buds Pro, Samsung. At the side it says Galaxy, and the other side is just says nothing. And in here it says Galaxy Buds Pro, two-way speakers for rich sound, active noise cancellation, 5 to 18 hours playtime, and IPX7. So I think this means that it is actually waterproof, but I won't trust that rating. Even though things are water resistant and waterproof, they can very easily get damaged. So let's have a look inside the box, and in the box we have the quick start guide, and I believe this is our warranty guide, if I can actually get that out. Yep. So in here is our warranty card. I haven't actually registered it yet, so we're gonna put that aside. And then we have the buds themselves. This is a very nice little case with a matte finish to it, and it's very I guess you could say nice to hold, and it's very manageable as well. We have the coil underneath, the wireless charging coil, and it's actually made up of aluminum, I think, so it has a very nice brushed feeling to it. And if we open that up, we have the buds themselves, good buds. And if we take them out, there's a little resting place for them to charge, and these are our contact points for charging. And if you look at the buds, these are your touch area where you would tap and double tap and triple tap. Double tap to skip a track, triple tap to go to a previous track. So it's a really nice color, white underneath and silver on the top, but it can get really fingerprinty, if that's even a word. So these are your speakers, and there are an array of mics that work together, and these are omnidirectional mics, which means that they can pick up the sound. We have these speakers and array of mics which work in harmony. These mics are actually omnidirectional mics, so they will try to pick up the sound from all around because the mic is not sticking just a few centimeters from your mouth. So these need to pick up the sound, but they do a really good job for delivering your voice. So far I have no complaints regarding that. Voice quality is also consistent. Range of these earbuds is amazing. So you just get them like this, and they're clearly marked L for left and R for right. They can adjust in your ears pretty well, but there are some caveats. First up, you need to choose the right size for your ear canal, and if it can feel too tight. So if it feels too tight or feels too loose, you should change to one of the configurations that come within the box. If you don't wear them properly, they will either start to feel a little uncomfortable or they will fall out of your ear. But if you put them on properly, they will stick and won't fall out. They're great for jogging, exercising, and won't fall out. They're also sweat proof and moisture resistant. I'm not going to say water resistant because they can get damaged. Now these are in-ear design, so if you're not comfortable with in-ear design and prefer over-ear design, then you might want to look for some other options. So in here we've got this and the charging cable. It's only a matter of time till the manufacturers stop putting the charging cable. They've already stopped putting the chargers, so it's only a matter of time. And these are your different earbuds, the ear tips, I would say. Oh, look at that. And I guess in the future we have to buy them separately as well. So this is your little rant for today. I'm gonna put that aside, and that's it. That's the box. Now about the buds, they have great noise cancellation and you can adjust their levels, but for me personally, high level noise cancellation can tune out every single sound, and it felt a little isolating and a little uncomfortable, so I turned it right off. But it comes in so handy if you're on long flights. Remember those long, uncomfortable, awkward long flights? Anyways, very effective noise cancellation. Another feature is ambient noise, which is amazing. You can listen to music and still hear what's going on around you. The sound quality is also good. It's not the best that I've ever heard, but will definitely that will definitely go to Jaybird X3s. But if you're not an audiophile, you're not gonna notice that much of a quality difference. These have very good bass, but it's not overwhelming where you can't hear the other notes of a composing, so you can still tell the different layers within a sound sample. But there are some things that I noticed which were a little unpleasant. The auto connect feature is sometimes a hit or miss. It works flawlessly for most of the time, but sometimes you still have to turn on your Bluetooth to connect the buds. Maybe this can be fixed with a future update. I noticed a bug when you keep holding the right earbud to increase the volume. It just keeps on going even when you let go. So you have to keep pressing the left earbud to lower the volume. It could be my specific case, but not too sure about that. The main value proposition is that it's very easy to use. Just like AirPods, when you open the case and take out the buds, it shows you the case and you can connect from there. It works even when you have turned off Bluetooth, which is awesome. Still not AirPods level, but very, very close. Within the app, we have different options, and I gotta admit this is a little underwhelming. This is Samsung and they provide you with more options than you will ever need, ever hope to use. So I was expecting a 4-tap to do something and a 5-tap to do something, a short hold assigned function and a long hold assigned function. They're not much, but I guess they'll do the job. Battery life is mediocre. It only lasts about 6 to 7 hours without noise cancellation, and you will get decreased battery life with noise cancellation. Now bear in mind this is just the earbuds themselves. With the case you can get somewhere around 18 to 20 hours. The perk is that you can use earbuds while you are charging the case. So you put the buds in the case and they're always fully charged. But if you put the buds in the case and put the case on charging, the case and buds will charge simultaneously. The standard price is about 350 Australian dollars and it's only going to drop in the upcoming months. This is not a major upgrade from the previous lineup, but they are very good buds for your day-to-day use. So there you go guys, if you're looking for flexibility and you own a Samsung device, these are definitely recommended from me. But you gotta consider the in-ear design and the mediocre battery life. But I think what they offer is a lot more than the compromises. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this perspective. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you guys later.